Good morning, Buenos Dias. Welcome back. Today is day 22 of my 28-day fitness challenge, and we are back to doing leg day. Yes, finally. I feel like we've worked up our body forever. I am so excited for this day, so let's get into it. Alright, you guys, we are doing only 4 exercises today. We are going to start off with a cable kickback. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps. Our next exercise is a Romanian deadlift. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps. Our third exercise is a wide and high leg press. We're doing 4 sets of 10 reps. I like to put my feet up wide and high on a leg press machine because it targets more of my hamstring. When you get it closer to your body and lower on the rack, then that's when you target more of your quads. And I am about that life. I got quads for days. And our last exercise, we're doing 4 sets of 10 reps on the adductor machine. Woo! Enjoy, you guys. Welcome back, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. It was a quick 30-minute workout so you can get that little pump there. I will see you back tomorrow for back and biceps. Adios.